Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the OwnScriptToVideo feature in Vidalgo. This is perfect if you already have a script written and want to quickly turn it into a professional video. Let's get started. First, make sure you've selected OwnScriptToVideo in the top left corner of the interface. This feature is specifically designed for uploading pre-written scripts and converting them into engaging videos. Now, here's the most important thing. Your script should only include the text that you want to be read aloud in the video. Don't include extra elements like stage directions, formatting notes, or descriptions. They won't be processed correctly and could affect the final video. Here's a good example of a clean script. Welcome to our new product launch. Discover the innovative features that make this solution stand out. And here's what to avoid. Once your script is ready, simply paste it into the text box provided. That's all you need to do. After pasting your script, you can customize your video further by selecting music, image styles, and other options. For this demo, I'll pick Epic for the music and photography for the image style, which combines real images, video clips, and AI-generated visuals. When everything looks good, click Generate Video. Vidalgo will process your script and create your video in just a few minutes. Once the video is ready, you'll find it in the projects section at the bottom of the page. From there, you can download it directly to your computer or keep it saved in your Vidalgo account for future use. And that's it. With OwnScriptToVideo, creating videos from your text is fast, simple, and highly effective.